Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Simple Man on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to Ebb standard, which is a half step down from regular tuning. This matches the original recording. The entire song revolves around a simple 4-bar chord progression, C, G, and a minor. We'll be playing at a comfortable tempo of about 120 beats per minute, making it accessible for all skill levels. Let's dive into the core groove. The main progression involves playing the root notes of C, G, and a minor. For C, you'll find it on the 6th fret of your Ebb string. Move to the 3rd fret of the Ebb string for G, and then the 5th fret of the Ab string for a minor. Remember the pattern: 1 bar of C, 1 bar of G, and then 2 bars of a minor. Keep it steady and feel the rhythm. Once you're comfortable with the basic root notes, it's time to add some flair. Try incorporating the 5th and octave of each chord to create a fuller sound. For example, after playing the root C, you can add the G note. Slides can also make your bass line more fluid and expressive. Pay close attention to the original recording to pick up on those subtle fills and dynamic changes throughout the song. To truly master Simple Man, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing slowly with a metronome to ensure your timing is precise. Gradually increase the tempo as you gain confidence. Playing along with the original track is invaluable for understanding the song's feel. You can choose to use a pick for a more defined attack, or fingerstyle for a warmer, rounder tone. Enjoy playing this classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.